How to use systematic buying plan on Unocoin. Are guys facing issues to use systematic buying plan SBP in Unocoin? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use the systematic buying plan on Unocoin, first open the app on your laptop or mobile devices. From the home screen, tap on More, then scroll down. Select SBP, which stands for Systematic Buying Plan. This feature helps you invest in Bitcoin regularly, like daily, weekly, or monthly, with a fixed amount. Tap on Create New SBP, then choose the amount you want to invest in Bitcoin and how often you want it to repay. You also need to select your preferred start date. Once tapped, next review the summary and then tap Confirm. Your SBP will be scheduled. Unocoin will automatically buy Bitcoin for you at the intervals you selected, helping you build your crypto portfolio slowly and steadily over time. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna use systematic buying plan in Unocoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.